Hello, my beautiful people. Today, I will be sharing with you the top 3 common mistakes of small YouTubers. If you avoid doing these things, your channel will grow in no time. Now, here are the top 3. The number 1 mistake is the wrong YouTube intro. So many small YouTubers lose viewers in the first 10 seconds of their videos simply because of bad intro. If you want viewers retention, the first 10 seconds of your video is the key because it determines if a viewer will keep watching your video or will click away. So avoid talking too much about yourself without mentioning right away what your video is all about. Remember, people are busy. They clicked on your video because of your title and your thumbnail. So go straight to the point. Start your video by saying what you are about to teach, solve, or show up for your audience. But if there is a need for you to introduce yourself, make it snappy, For example, in one sentence, you might say, I am, you mention your name, and I help small creators grow faster on YouTube. And that's it. You proceed with your video. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to say. Now, mistake number 2 is not uploading videos consistently because of lack of content to post. One video today before you upload will be in the next 3 weeks or so. Inconsistent posting confuses your audience. So if you are busy with school or work, you need to draft a schedule for your content that you can easily stick with. You can batch create 2 to 3 videos ahead of time so that you can always have backup content to upload. It's better to post once a week than monthly and going silent. A steady channel grows faster than a random one. Next is mistake number 3. Starting without doing research. A lot of new YouTubers get excited and start uploading videos without doing proper background research. But here is the truth. If you skip research, your videos will most likely flop, even if your content is good. YouTube is a search engine, just like Google. People come to YouTube to learn something new, to solve a problem, or to be entertained. So if you create content blindly without knowing what people are searching for, the type of videos that are trending in your niche, or the type of titles or thumbnails that are getting attention, then you are basically uploading a video and hoping for a miracle. And that's not how YouTube growth works. So you can use varieties of tools to source for video ideas, such as YouTube search, Google Trends. You can even check the comment section of bigger channels in your niche. People ask questions there all the time. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a like. Subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And lastly, do not forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.